So we're having pears. We're trying to have pears. Here's pears sans chunks. Oh, isn't it tasty? No chunks in there. But let's see. Here's a chunk. Where's the chunk? Did you eat it? You ate the chunk! You did! Without gagging? Oh man, that's amazing. It's a chunk. Uh-oh. It's okay. See, it went down. Ooh. Good girl. Some juice? Have some juice? Have some juice. Wash it down. Oh, I almost made it. Wow, sippy cup master. Yeah. Good girl. Are you doing what Mommy's doing? Pears. Pears. You little stinker. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See? Oh, gosh, you're so good at that by yourself. Say bye-bye. Try a piece of pear. It's so yummy. Just one piece. It's so sweet. You like it. You don't want to close it in there? There it is. Will it ever go down into the tummy? Oh, Stelly. Oh, Stelly. Try it. Oh, it's gonna go. Look at it. It's almost done. It's almost gone. Oh, did you swallow it? Is it still in there somewhere? Oh, she did it! Yay, Stella! Yay, Stella! Just wash it down. That was a tough one. All right. Whew. Whew. See, you like it. Let's try another piece of pear. Another piece of pear. There it sits. And I don't know if it'll ever go down into the belly. Where's it going? Is it gonna go down? You gonna close and is it gonna go into the tummy? Oh. It's so tasty though, isn't it? Pears? I like pears. You did it! Yay, Stella! She ate a pear. Wow. Good girl. Oh, jeez. Listen, juice. Oh, okay. Say bye-bye. That was good pair work. It's fake. Okay, bye.